So today I'm going to be using a guitar pick to pluck the string, but it's also okay to use your thumb. I'm also just going to be using one finger to push the string down. So we're going to make sure the thumb's on the back of the neck, and we're going to use our index finger, and we're going to use the fingertip to push the string down, the bony part of the finger. And all the notes are going to be on this string here, which is string 5. Okay, I have my sticker box here, and inside I've got some cool, colourful stickers. And because we're going to be jumping around the neck a little bit, we can put stickers on the top of the guitar here to really help us find the strings quickly. So you're going to want a sticker on fret 10. So we would count down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just in between these metal strips. You put a sticker here at fret 10, fret 7, fret 5, fret 3, and fret 2. I promise this is going to really help to speed the notes up.
This is an absolute beginner lesson for kids, and I'm going to show you step by step how to play your first real electric guitar song, even if you have never touched a guitar before. And later in this video, I'll show you the one simple trick that makes it sound like real music straight away, even if your fingers feel like they are doing it wrong at first.
First, we're going to play fret 7. And we play that twice, then we move to fret 10, fret 7, 5, 3, and then 2, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, and then 2. So that's the first part, and then there's a second part to this riff. So we're going to go 7 twice, 10, 7, 5, 3, then we're going to jump to 5, back to 3, and then 2. Great, so just remember you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like until you get this. And remember, the video ends with you playing along with me 5 times. So have a little practice at this, pause the video, and then come back and we're gonna play this together.
Hi parents, just quickly jumping in here. Let me know in the comments if this is the first time picking up a guitar. If you are loving this video right now, and want to be the first notified when I post brand new videos just like this one, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like and a thumbs up so I know to create more videos just like this one.
So now we're going to do the play along, and this is where you get to make real music. So I'm going to play it slowly, and we're going to play it 5 times non-stop. And I want you to try and play along if you can. Even if you make mistakes, just try and recover and keep going. Okay, let's count it down. 3, 2, 1.
If you really enjoyed and loved this video today and want a clear step-by-step path To go from total beginner to an incredibly confident guitar player playing real songs, I've put everything into my book, Guitar Start in 30 Days. You'll find it linked in the description if you want to continue to progress just like this. Here's a taster of how we help to transform children's lives in Guitar Star Academy, our online school, which I have provided a link to as well. Here's a 10-step roadmap to success. Number 1, start simple. Number 2, choose the right guitar. Number 3 is to build strong foundations. Number 4 is to always be consistent. Number 5 is to focus on what's going well or focus on progress. Number 6 is to celebrate small wins, however tiny they are. They all add up over time. And then number 7 is to keep learning fun. We want to enjoy ourselves on this journey, in this process. And then number 8 is to, if you're a parent, is to always encourage effort over progress. Reward the effort. And then number 9 is to be their biggest supporter. We all need a cheerleader in life, cheering us on from the sidelines. And number 10, remember the bigger picture. Why are they learning this? Is it to become the next Disney star, the next Taylor Swift? Always paint that bigger picture, even if it's just playing for family and friends or a school concert or a church hall. Hi guys, here's a virtual high five. You just made your guitar make fantastic music. That's step 1 done. Most people quit before this point, but you didn't. So congratulations. I'll see you in the next lesson. Let's level up again.